Hello guys, today I'm gonna be making a video about ternary. Ternary in Python is an expression that can turn an if-else statement into one line of code. So now I'm gonna show you what this would look like, our expression, our if-else statement. That I'm gonna write down one and show you one, and then I'm gonna show you the ternary version of that. So now I'll write the normal if-else statement. So this one is just gonna be about even and odd, for example. Then give it NO for the argument parameter. Then here it'll be if even odd, if NO, then modulus 2. Modulus, how it works is that if modulus 2, after modulus, whatever number you put down, it divides NO by 2 and it gets the remainder. So if a remainder of NO when it's divided by 2 equals 0, then we want to print even, or a better way we can say return even. We'll need even, return even. Now here, time for else, not there, here, else, return odd. Now, so that's our normal if-else statement. If down here I do even, odd, and then I'll put a number in like 9, then we run it. So it needs the print here. Print even odd 9, and now if we run it, we'll get odd because 9 is odd, and then if we do 12, we run it, say even because 12 is even. I'll comment that now with Ctrl/. Then I'll go down here, and now it's time for the same thing, which does the exact same thing, but in one line. So what we want to do, first we define our thing, which we'll define it as odd even, and we can use the same parameter because it doesn't matter if you use the same parameter in a different thing, so we can do that. And then now we can do return even if for if no modulus 2 equal 0, else return odd. Actually we don't need return here because we already have a return at the start. We just say else here, and then there will be odd here. So now if we print odd, even, and we do 4, we run it, we get even, then we do 5, we run it, we get odd. So that worked, and that is how you do ternary. With if-else statement, you can, with an if-else expression, the ternary way is to put it in one line, like this. But there's another way I'm going to show you. It's using the fact that in Python, that 0 in Python equals true, and 1 or any other number equals 1 equals true, or any other any other number above 0 equals true, but 0 equals false. So if we use that, we can def odd, even, 2. We can do no, because it doesn't matter if we use no again. Then we'll do return odd, if no modulus 2, if no modulus 2, else even. Now the reason in this one, you can see that I put even before odd, but in this one, instead of putting even here, the reason that I put odd here is because with the modulus 2, if it was 4, for example, the modulus would be 0 because there's no remainder, and 0 is false, so then odd would not be true, so then it would be even. But if it was 5 and the modulus was 1, then it would be true, so return odd would work. So now if we do odd, even, 2, print odd even too. Four. Then now we run it. We'll get even. We do 5. We run it. And we get odd. But if I did even here and odd here, you'll see that it wouldn't work, because now 5 is even and 4 is odd. So that's why here needs to be odd and here needs to be even. And that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any other ways to do this, any other examples like the last one here, and see you all later.